Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
General usage rules. Double quotes are used to mark speech, for titles of short works like TV shows and articles, as scare quotes to indicate irony or an author's disagreement with a premise. Single quotes are used to enclose a quote within a quote within a headline, or a title within a quote.
Take our lead.
Quotation marks are also called inverted commas, speech marks, or quotes. Quotation marks can be used in two styles, single, or double, or, and can also appear in two different typefaces, either as so-called dumb or straight quotes, or as smart quotes, or.
Let's help you make your mark.
The symbol used at the beginning of the quotation, opening quotation mark, is usually open inverted commas, or open inverted comma, and the symbol at the end, closing quotation mark, is close inverted commas, or close inverted comma.
Let's help you make your mark.
In British English we use single inverted commas for direct speech and double marks to enclose the quote. Example, Mr. Smith said, "I think it was Sarah who said, it was a mistake," more than once. In American English you use single quotation marks when direct speech is quoted within another piece of direct speech.
Let's help you make your mark.
Single quotation marks are used to indicate quotations inside of other quotations. Jesse said, "Goodbye," Ben said. This is Ben talking, so his words go in quotation marks. But because we're quoting Ben quoting someone else, Jesse, we use single quotation marks to indicate the quote within the quote.
Let's help you make your mark.
If you are an American, using quotation marks could hardly be simpler. Use double quotation marks at all times unless quoting something within a quotation, when you use single. It's different in the Greater Anglosphere, where they generally use singles in books and doubles in newspapers.
Let's help you make your mark.
Use single quotes. Use single quotes for string literals, e.g., my identifier, but use double quotes for strings that are likely to contain single quote characters as part of the string itself, such as error messages, or any strings containing natural language, e.g., you've got an error.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.